We are getting a lot of interest in our all-in-one, so we thought we would chat about it. People are saying things like, I love it. I wish I had learned about it sooner. Before we get into the details, I'm Nikki Campbell. This is Kevin Campbell. We're the Campbell team, and we have over 30 years of experience in mortgage lending. Here's some information on it. It is a first lien HELOC with a sweep checking account attached to it. It's an innovative program, revolutionary. It's proprietary to CMG specifically, and it allows you access to your equity 24/7. So let's chat about how it works.
Before we get into the all-in-one, let's talk about how you currently interact with your standard checking and savings account. So we deposit money into it, earning essentially net zero, and then the bank uses our money to leverage their own assets and make money for themselves. And we've kind of accepted this as an industry norm for us because we need access to that money for our spending habits.
Let's talk about a standard mortgage. So 30-year amortization. Typically, you pay the interest first, at least for the first 15 or so years of a 30-year fixed. Really, the problem with it isn't the rate, it's the fact that you are front-loaded on the interest, so you pay a lot of interest up front, and then you get to the principal.
So the standard 30-year mortgage is great for a lot of people. This is why it's the #1 loan product for everybody. But for some people, this is a long time to be in a losing position when they have different assets that they can utilize. So let's turn the table, if you will, with our all-in-one loan. So the difference is that same deposit that you make sweeps into your checking and savings account that we set up for you, offsetting the balance of your mortgage payment. So for the sake of a discussion, let's say you deposit $10,000 this month. Now you're paying $10,000 less of interest amount on that loan, right? So then you don't want to not have access to that money. So our all-in-one has a dual sweep function, so you can then access through that checking and savings account to pay off your bills, your car, buy food, go out to restaurants, so you can get that money back out. The beauty of it is right here though, the idle money that you have left over each month stays in your account, holding down the interest and paying off the balance of your mortgage for you, right? So this is the incredible thing where you were earning net zero on your previous checking and savings. This sweep account now is a powerful tool in offsetting the mortgage balance for you. Utilizing that idle money, we've had customers pay their mortgages off in half the time and with significantly less interest paid over the course of their loan. The other cool part about the all-in-one is the access to your equity. Unlike a traditional loan where you have to go back and ask the bank and pay closing costs, fees, and other things like that, you have 24/7 access to the equity in your loan. You can just simply go in there and use your debit or checking account to access that equity for home improvements, vacations, emergency funds. Heck, if you have an opportunity to invest in something that you like, you can use all that money that's available in your equity just whenever you want to. You essentially created the bank of you.
This program allows for primary residence, second homes, and investments. If you think this is a good program for you or just interested, give us a call. We'd love to run a scenario and see if it fits for you.